Not all tutoring institutes and courses are the same, but there are many. Most of them either make coding too much fun by teaching you to create games or use drag-and-drop code builders. Many sound too sophisticated by teaching you how to create mobile apps. However, coding in the early stage should focus on building problem-solving skills and writing actual code in a code editor using programming languages such as Python or Java, or Scratch. When you learn to code, you get errors. You feel stuck and, many times, frustrated. You may think of giving up because it is hard to take help from search engines such as Google. Most of the courses focus on syntax rather than on problem-solving skills. Coding is all about solving a problem and translating your solution into a computer's language. Watching videos to learn to code is the same as learning to swim without getting in the swimming pool or learning to bike without riding a bike. Very few people have the motivation to finish video-based courses, and above all, it is hard to retain the knowledge because you won't get a chance to practice. Meet CodeMode. We, at CodeMode, have built the platform and courses to take on these challenges. At CodeMode, you learn by practice to retain your knowledge. We call it learning forever. You write actual code in Python or any other programming language. We teach you the fundamentals of problem solving, how to break a problem into pieces, solve and stick them together to a solution. We provide real-time help in various ways, from discussion and chat to pair coding, where you code with your tutor. You are never alone in this journey. We provide more than a video-based course, we bring a complete ecosystem to you. Our finish rate is much higher than other video-based courses. You not only get certificates, but also earn internships. We believe in practice-based learning. You learn a concept by watching a video or reading text with real-life examples. Next, you test your understanding by taking a quiz after every concept. We provide multiple full-length practice tests at the end of each chapter to master the skill. You learn valuable tools like flowchart, pseudocode, and bubble chart to build your problem-solving skills. This way, your learning is independent of the programming language. You build a solid foundation. Most importantly, focus on the solution, not the syntax. You will take the unit's exit test before you move to the new unit to assess gaps. Ultimately, hard work pays off. Finish the course, download the certificate, and share your achievement on LinkedIn and other social media platforms. We teach so that you love coding. We make you practice so that you learn forever. Join today and learn a lifelong, futuristic skill with us. Visit www.codemode.us or like us on Instagram. CodeMode_US.